Hey, y'all. Today, fall's in the air. Just a little nip. It might be 2 degrees cooler here in Savannah. But Lulu is running through here. She's so excited. She just went out and pooped. And she came in. She is begging for a treat. And you gave it to her, didn't you, Teresa? Well, she did a good job. She just did a good job. So today I want to share with y'all some recipes have gotten 5-star consistently. And as always, they're tasty, easy, and quick. So this recipe is an apple baked beans, and it truly is apple season. So I want to take advantage of all those wonderful fresh apples coming in. So we're going to start with 2 cans of baked beans. My family loves baked beans. And Linton will eat every piece of bacon off the top of it. That boy loves him some bacon. So I'm going to put a cup of diced apples, chopped apples. And this is going to make it so juicy and give it that little bit of sweet, tart taste. And I'm going to add my brown sugar. I'm going to add my onions. And baked beans are just not baked beans without the onions. So this is it. That's all we do. And we finish up with 1 tablespoon of mustard. Oh, excuse me. That looks like a tablespoon. So just stir that up real good. And we're going to put it in our 2-quart casserole dish. And I'm going to spray that dish because, sometimes baked beans are sticky. And we don't want them to stick. And my teaspoon of salt. Okie doke. Just that simple. Ooh, and it's filling up this 2-quart perfect. Now the recipe tells you, excuse me, the recipe tells you to just lay full strips of bacon on top, but I don't really care to do that because that means probably only 4 people are going to get a piece of bacon. So I take my scissors and I cut it in maybe 1.5 inches wide. And we're just going to cover the top. So everybody's going to get a piece of pig. There we go, Therese.
Yes, ma'am.
You want to throw this in the oven, honey?
Absolutely.
And we're going to cook this covered. So if you would, never mind, I think I got it. I got stuff all over.
This actually says covered.
Yeah.
Covered for 45. And
yeah.
Uncovered.
I thought that was what I said. But sometimes my mouth can trick me, y'all. So we're going to bake that for 45 minutes covered, and then we're going to take the cover off the last 15 minutes. And so that'll be an hour total cooking time. Look at our baked beans, y'all. Don't those look beautiful? I'm going to sit them right here, Eddie, and let them be cooling. Now, when you cook baked beans, when you cover them, to me, they can cook. You can cook them a lot longer than the 45 minutes or the hour that it says, because with the cover on, it keeps every bit of the juice in the dish. And I like for mine to kind of get a little candied-like to them. So I left those in there probably 30 minutes after we took the lid off. So you do whatever you need to do, however you like it. These look so good, y'all. And I'm gonna come in. I want me a piece of that bacon. But I don't want to burn my mouth off either. Like I said, we could have cooked these probably another 30 minutes. You know, you can't overcook baked beans. So let's see if I can do this without
tearing up your mouth,
taking the skin off my mouth. I love baked beans. I love them. They're wonderful as a side for hamburgers, hot dogs, or barbecue chicken or ribs, along with some coleslaw. You just can't beat it. And now that the weather's cooling off, it would be a great time to put one of those Boston butts on your grill and cook it for 3, 4, 5 hours and have it along with these wonderful baked beans. The only thing about baked beans is the more you eat, the more you toot. Isn't that right?
absolutely.
I can't remember that saying, but it's some kind of rhyme. But you know what? You just make sure everybody else eats baked beans. So then you won't know who to blame it on. Oh, the bacon. Love and best dishes, y'all. Have a great day.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.